Cazoodle does. Our first product is aggregating apartment listings from over 10,000 websites by crawling their content and converting into structured data format. So you don't have to go to all these different websites. And we have data for Peoria, we have over 700 choices on our website. You can see detailed pictures, amenities, floor plan information. You can also narrow down your results using detailed criteria of bedroom, bathroom, and so on. And this opportunity of building apartment search engine is a huge opportunity in itself. And so we decided to make this our first flagship product. And ever since we launched, we have seen rapid growth in user adoption. We have seen that when we expanded from Champaign area to large metro areas and now to entire United States, users are naturally liking this service. Since the beginning of this year, our traffic has almost tripled, and we are now serving more than 300,000 users every month. On the other hand, we have several advertisers who are looking for preferred placement on our website. So this gives us a steady flow of revenue that this service can sustain in itself. So you must be thinking, how can Cazoodle do something that nobody else is able to do? The secret lies in our core technology of data factory solution that we have developed at University of Illinois. What this technology really does is, it takes any website and it can transform it into a structured database. So think of Excel. Now you have data in Excel format. You can plot charts, you can do segmentation, narrow down all sorts of analysis. And this works for any type of data, not just apartment. And that opens up huge growth opportunity for us. So on the one direction, we are expanding to build more and more of these search engines. Our next product here is for electronic shopping. So if you are looking for a camera or a laptop, just go to Cazoodle. You don't have to go to Amazon, Best Buy, Circuit Cities here and check prices on all these different sites. One site will show you offers for every product from all these merchant sites. And there are several more in pipeline. We are also expanding internationally, and the problem becomes even more serious when you go to countries like China or Taiwan. They don't have aggregated databases like Yellow Pages. What we have learned is, this type of data aggregation is not interesting only to end users, but also to enterprise customers. And we have opened up our data factory for doing custom data crawling for different companies. For example, US Army is doing a project with us where they are crawling data from the web for their intelligence operations in Afghanistan. Or there are all these other companies that have different types of data that they need for their operations, but it's so distributed that they don't have solutions to bring them together. So putting this all together, we find that we have several channels of revenue, and we are able to see traction from all of these channels in some sense. So for our end user applications, we make money by showing ads from different service providers. And we are able to expand into many domains, going from apartments to electronics to more and more of these, and we'll have a larger share of this market. On the other hand, enterprise customers' data gathering is a huge opportunity in itself. And we have an excellent team to capitalize on all these different growth opportunities. Dr. Kevin Chang, he's the founder and CEO of the company. He's a professor at University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and he has several years of research experience and is a renowned scientist in the area of web search and data integration. On the business side, Rob has been leading us for a very long time. He is a principal at Illinois Ventures. This is one of the major VC firms in central Illinois area. And he has a past experience of being a successful entrepreneur himself, leading several companies and a McKinsey consultant. And I am CTO of the company. I graduated with Masters in Computer Science from University of Illinois. I previously studied at IIT Bombay. And the rest of the team is also highly qualified engineers and business people. What we are particularly excited about is our contributions to Illinois. And we are proud to be originating from a university in Illinois. In terms of job growth, we have added 3 new engineers this summer. In the time when the economy is so down, we are aggressively expanding. And we also actively hire several summer interns. So this summer we hired 9 interns from University of Illinois. We are also excited about the growth we can do in terms of information technology innovation coming out from Illinois. So generally it is thought that innovation comes from Silicon Valley. And this is not true at all. UIUC is ranked number 4 in computer science field all across the United States. and has generated innovation in many of the things. Starting from the first browser, Netscape, it came out of University of Illinois, continuing into YouTube, PayPal, and now Cazoodle. We are very proud to have an organization coming out from Illinois that is having a global impact. Finally, I want to talk a little bit about our competition. So, in any domain that we enter into, we'll run into some vertical services, but they are very limited in their coverage. We saw rent.com, apartments.com, very few listings. There are some data extraction softwares also, but they have huge cost disadvantage. And general search engine, we have a good opportunity for collaboration with them because they like to integrate this into their general search. That's the summary. Thank you.
Some judges will give you a few minutes to ask questions here.
How do you market your